BS9999, the code of practice for fire safety in the design, management and use of buildings, the concept. Now first of all, can I ask you, have you read the code? Have you read BS9999? Have you applied it in any of your designs? Have you actually downloaded it yet from the website? But you've got to be careful, if you do download it, it's 459 pages. Don't press print and just walk away because it'll empty your printer. How would you say you feel about BS9999? In other words, what is the perception of this standard, BS9999? Well, I did a seminar in Manchester, and the head of building control, as soon as I walked in the seminar, the first thing he said to me was, it will be interesting to see how many buildings are actually designed to BS9999. Well, all of them will be. This code is designed for nearly all buildings out there, shops, offices, factories. It's not just for really, really complex buildings, but this is the perception of the standard. People think it's just there for large, complex buildings. It isn't. It's there for most buildings that you design. Architects say we don't get involved in many large projects. It's not just for large projects. If you want to use this code for a small office, you will get advantages which I will cover on the seminar. It's not just for large projects. Small offices, small shops, you want to look at this standard. A building control manager said to me, I thought this was a fire engineering code. Again, this is another misconception of the standard. This is not a fire engineering code. It is a code based on fire engineering principles. It has not been designed for fire engineers. This is not a fire engineering code, it's the principles that are based on fire engineering. Architects say, we will employ a fire engineer. You can if you want, but it's not been designed for that. You don't have to be a fire engineer to use it. Will fire engineers use this standard? Of course they will. It gives them the design flexibility they want without having to apply all the fire engineering principles, going out using Alpers equations and all these smoke calculations. They don't have to do that. Fire engineers will want to use this standard, but you do not have to be a fire engineer to apply this code. I'm telling you now, this is the most significant piece of fire legislative code for the last 10 years. You do need to know about it, so like I say, it's good that you're actually watching this seminar. This code was introduced in October 2008. It's been available for 18 months, but people aren't using it. And do you know the main reason is? They don't know the benefits. They don't understand the benefits of this code. This code can offer you major benefits in the design of your buildings. It will give your client a more cost-effective design, and that's what I'm going to show you through this presentation.